Hi, I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Bosch Series 6 gas hob. If you're a hands-on chef who loves the whole sensory experience of cooking, you'll love this model. Not only do you get the instant visual feedback of the flame, but with its understated and modern look, it'll give your kitchen that professional edge. It's also available in black, giving you plenty of choice in the style department. When it comes to cooking, this hob removes all the guesswork you'd usually find with a gas model. It has FlameSelect technology, which provides 9 preset flame levels to suit what you're cooking. So whether you're sautéing, simmering or searing, you have complete predictable control for perfect results every time. Everything feels really strong and sturdy on this hob, and that's in part due to the continuous cast iron pan supports. These supports are designed to keep your cookware firmly in place. No teetering or tipping, just steady and safe cooking. This hob is a breeze to clean. The pan supports are dishwasher suitable, and the dials are removable, allowing you to clean those hard to reach places, giving you that spotless finish. The full metal surface is more durable too, so it can handle heavy usage for those who love to get creative in the kitchen. Safety always comes first, and that's no different with this gas hob. It's equipped with a flame gas cutoff. This means the moment the flame goes out, the gas is immediately cut off. So if you're looking for a stylish, easy to maintain and effortless to cook with gas hob, this Series 6 model is a great option.